Here we have Steve's Toyota Hiace van with a Kenwood 8019 we just fitted. Originally had some Alpine equipment, quite old Alpine equipment, but he's got a nice amp and speakers. So updated to Apple CarPlay, DAB radio, etc. As you can see, wireless CarPlay with the phone not connected. We got CarPlay. Well, he's got his phone, which we won't show, but we can select some music. Select the music. Select his mapping. Flip across, split screen. Go back to music. Obviously, we can shortcut here as well. Go to his library, playlist for example, select whatever you fancy. A bit of classic David Bowie. Bit of a soft start, probably poor choice. Track up and down, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And of course, make and receive calls. Go back to your maps. Select DAB radio and your maps. And there we have Apple CarPlay in a Toyota van.